You are looking at a 2020 Ford F-150 STX, four-wheel drive, with only 39,621 miles. This Ford has been inspected and serviced, and we have a copy of the inspection and all the work performed, as well as a full vehicle history report. The truck runs and drives out great. There are no accidents reported on the vehicle history report. The tires are in good condition. With a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, 10-speed automatic transmission, 355 rear axle, 6,600-pound gvwr, skid plates, Class 4 trailer hitch. Features include STX package, XL Sport Appearance package, unique Sport Cloth package, Sync 3 system with Bluetooth audio and backup camera, air conditioning, cruise control with tilt wheel, factory 20-inch wheels, running boards, power windows and locks, 36-gallon fuel tank. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.